With blockchain in the Internet of Things, sensor information via blockchain. A major challenge of digitalization is the lack of trust in cloud computing. In order to operate a condition monitoring, for example to forecast the failure of a machine, one needs data provided by sensors. Let's take an intelligent manufacturing machine as an example. This is equipped with sensors, and with the help of algorithms, one can predict when the axis of the machine will break, based on the data. This information, for example, requires an SAP application to order the axe early enough so that it can be replaced in case of damage. Nowadays, there is no problem to connect the machine and the SAP application to a cloud platform. The problem is the lack of trust in the technology. There's generally lack of trust in data exchange on cloud platforms. Sensors and machines on the one side as data sources, and on the other evaluation applications of an ERP system, like for example SAP applications, as a data sink to connect via a cloud platform is state of the art. However, trust in a cloud platform is often lacking. The machine manufacturer is afraid that not only the SAP application received the data, but that the competitor has access to the data and so knows how often the axe breaks. The blockchain technology and smart contracting could be the solution to ensuring data integrity and security. Smart contracting could be used to associate an application's public access with a certain quality of data access for a certain period of time for payment in the form of crypto money. Thus, both secure data transmission and payment for the information would be realized. The application could then use these public keys to request the data via a cloud platform and authenticate via a private key. The actual data is then exchanged via the cloud platform, as is possible today, but the smart contracting of the blockchain creates the lack of trust in this data exchange.